बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। प्यारे बच्चों, अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आज पर सेल बायोलॉजी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक नाव सेल साइकिल और से सेल डिवीजन। सेल साइकिल क्या गो और से सेल डिवीजन क्या गो। दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक regarding the growth and reproduction of living organisms, because for growth and reproduction cell division or cell cycle plays an important role. क्या रोल इम्पॉर्टेंट अदा करान ग्रोथ एंड रिप्रोडक्शन मज ते करो इंशाल्लाह आज जान कोशिश। ये सेल डिवीजन यह अल्लाह ताला सं कुदरत मज इम्पॉर्टेंट प्रोसेस कुदरत चो निशानियों मज इम्पॉर्टेंट निशानी यम जरिए सेल पन सारी सेल ऑर्गेनल्स डबल करान और रेप्लिकेट करान। पत यम साथ डिवाइड गसान यह बराबर इक्वली बगरावान दोन सेलन मज। पे दिम सिंपल मिसाल, यम साथ बाय बारन ज़ अम ब्रोट कि बाय बारन ज़ अलग अलग नेरान पन घर अलग अलग बसावान। यीस काल इकवटे यम चाहे कुन सात गरस मज चीज़ अन, चाहे कुन सात ज़ चीज़ अनन, चाहे कुन सात कम ज़्यादा अनन, मगर यम सात यम स्टेज वातान यम यसान वन सेपरेट गसन अलग अलग पन घर बसावन अम ब्रोट कि घर बसावन युस यम घरस मज चीज़ यम कोशिश करान यम गस ज़ आसनी, सो दैट कि पगह वथा कंस ते अत पे अंगुज वथा अत पे या लड़ाई गई अत पे या कह मसल गई अत पे खड़ा। एंड चूँकि प्रेत कह यसान कि मे गस पन पन शेयर बराबर यून, सेम इज़ द केस विद सेल डिवीजन। मगर अम ब्रोट कि बाय बार नेरन पान वन ब्योन नेरन यम पन पन घर बसावन यम युस यम घरस मज चीज़ अत करान काम यह गोडनेथ दोगन कर कोशिश करान। तमें मतलब गो बिफोर एक्चुअल डिवीजन, बिफोर एक्चुअल सेपरेशन, everything in the house or home, it should be duplicated or replicated. इधा पे सेल मज डिवीजन गसन ब्रोट अत प्रेत कह सेल ऑर्गेनल डुप्लिकेट गसान या रेप्लिकेट गसान, सो दैट कि अत ज़ बनान। यम साथ सेल डिवाइड गसान ती बनावान ज़ सेल, प्रेत सेल पन पन प्रेत कह सेल ऑर्गेनल युवान। दैट मीन्स अत इक्वेशनल डिवीजन गसान तो यम नए सेल डॉटर सेल्स बनान यम हू बो हू पेरेंटल सेलन हिश ड्यूरिंग माइटोसिस, because they have same genetic material as in the parent cell, they have same cytoplasm as in the parent cell, they have same cell organelles as in the parent cell. तो यह गोडनिक फेज सेल मज गसान या घरस मज गसान अत वन प्रिपरेशन फॉर सेपरेशन, प्रिपरेशन फॉर सेग्रीगेशन। यतन वन सेल साइकिल मज गोडनिक फेज गसान दैट इज कॉल्ड एज प्रिपरेशन फॉर सेल डिवीजन। यह प्रिपरेशन क्या अत मज क्या सेल करान ती करो इंशाल्लाह आज जान कोशिश। तो यह सेल साइकिल according to Rodolphe Virchow in 1800 58, who proposed cell theory and states that cells arise from pre-existing cells, and the process by which new cells arise from pre-existing cells is called cell division. यानी यम हसा ऑलरेडी सेल मौजूद आसान यमो पे नए सेल बनान और नए सेल बनान फ्रॉम प्री एग्जिस्टिंग सेल्स and the process by which new cells arise from pre-existing cells at one cell division. And cell cycle क्या गो? The sequence of events यानी अत दरमियान यह नो सेल बनान अत दरमियान वारिया इवेंट्स गसान वारिया फेजेस वारिया स्टेजेस the sequence of events by which a cell duplicates its genome, that means duplicates its DNA content, synthesizes cell constituents, or you can say synthesizes different cell constituents and eventually divides into two daughter cells is called cell cycle. On the right side you can see cell cycle. We start from the preparation for mitosis. First is before preparation for mitosis, let's go from right side shuru. Cytokines path gonic phase, it's cell growth phase, that is G1 phase. And then S phase, G2 phase. That's called as interphase or preparatory phase for actual cell division. We can say that cell cycle, for the sake of understanding and simplicity, cell cycle is divided into two phases. One is called as interphase, that is preparatory phase, or some people also call it as resting phase, wherein there occur cell growth, there occur DNA replication, and there occur also duplication of cell organelles as well as synthesis of proteins. The अंदरिम side छात white arrow करित हावान interphase. So you go G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase together constitute a major phase that's called as interphase. Interphase path G1 actual cell division, that's called as M phase or mitotic phase, that is further divided into two types. One is called as karyokinesis, that is division of nucleus, and after division there is cytokinesis, we can say division of cytoplasm. Preparation गई गारस मजन वन गर बनावन गोड करान preparation तथ टाइम लगान preparation करनस. That's why cell division cell cycle अत मज 95% टाइम सह लगान preparation खतरे. तवे ज़्यादा cycle में ज़्यादा portion हायित, that is interphase. That is अगर human being हिंस कथ करो, human cell it duplicates after 24 hours. अत मज almost 23 घंट लगान preparation पे खाली हिस्स करनस लगान खाली 1 घंट, that is divisional phase. तवे ज़्यादा major portion हायित interphase पे कम टाइम लगान short duration, that is background phase, that is segregation phase, that's called as mitosis. And mitosis is divided into two types. First is karyokinesis, then time पे बिल्कुल अलग separation गसान, अलग totally घर बनान, that's called as cytokinesis, or we can say division of cytoplasm. Tell the boss. Cytologists divide cell cycle into two major phases. One is called as interphase or preparatory phase, which is further divided into three subphases, that is G1 phase, first gap phase, then S phase, that is synthetic phase, and G2 phase, that is second gap phase. G1 phase में क्या छु बनान, S phase में क्या छु गसान, and G2 phase में क्या छु गसान, ये वनो इंशाल्लाह ब्रोट कुनत. Dayim चीज actual division छु आसान, that is M phase or divisional phase. It is divided into two types. First you have karyokinesis, then you have cytokinesis. For the sake of simplicity, I make this schematic representation, that is cell cycle. On the right side you see a schematic representation of cell cycle. Cell cycle, it is divided into two phases, interphase and actual division. Interphase is further divided into three subphases, that is G1 phase, S phase and G2 phase. Then actual division is further divided into two types, that is karyokinesis and cytokinesis. And this karyokinesis, wherein there occur segregation of chromosomes, there occur segregation of this genetic material. It is further divided into four types, that is prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. And after telophase there occur cytokinesis, wherein there is the segregation of two cells and also division of cytoplasm takes place. Now question arises, what happens during G1 phase, S phase and G2 phase, that can be seen in the next slide. Cell cycle is completed in two stages. First is interphase. It is the initial event in the cell cycle and is completed in three phases. You can see the diagram on the right side. In the diagram you have a single cell that passes through the sequence of events, that pass through first event, that is G1 phase of interphase. G1 phase में क्या गसान, synthesis of proteins and RNA takes place. It is the post mitotic gap phase. That means mitosis पत यस कोडनुक phase ची gap phase, तथ G1 phase or pre DNA replication phase, या दबो DNA replicate गसन ब्रोड यस phase ची that's called G1 phase. It is the period when cell growth ch gasan and most of the cell organelles duplicate. You can see on the right side, period of cell growth, proteins are synthesized and also duplication of cell organelles. It is followed by another phase, that is S phase, also called as replication phase. It is the synthetic phase or DNA replication phase, wherein there occur duplication of DNA or replication of DNA, and in this case DNA content doubles. For example, if you have a 2C DNA content in a cell, after S phase it becomes 4C due to doubling of DNA molecules, due to doubling of DNA content. However, the number of chromosomes remains the same, but DNA content doubles. In this phase, nuclear DNA replicates, that is when chromosomes are replicated. In this phase, this chromosome becomes chromatids. It consists of two chromatids which are joined at a single point, which are joined at a point called as centromere. Then G2 phase में क्या gasan, synthesis of RNA and mRNA, that is ribosomal RNA and messenger RNA takes place, and it is the period of cell when It prepares for actual division. It's also called as pre-mitotic gap phase or post-DNA replication phase. It is the period of cytoplasmic growth. It is the period when cell prepares for division. These are three subphases of interphase wherein cell cell چھِ آسان almost 95% or 97% یُس یہِ اَمیُک یہِ جوٗریشن چھِ آسان سۄ چھِ کَتھ انٹرفیس منٛزٕے یِوان تَوے چھِ وَنان اِٹ اِز د لانگیسٹ فیز آف سیل سایکل ویر اِن سیل پریپیٲرٕس فار ایکچُوَل ڈِوجن اَتھ منٛز چھِ یِم سٲری یِم چیٖز ڈُپلیٹ کران سۄمبراوان سو دیٹ ییٚمہِ ساتہٕ ڈِوجن چھِ گژھان یِم چھِ برابر پننہِ سیلہِ منٛز بٲگراونہٕ یِوان. You can see this diagram how the cell looks like during the interphase. Interphase chromosome duplicate. It's a cell. Cell منٛز چھُ أنٛدرٕ کَنۍ nucleus. Interphase منٛز چھُ آسان یُس تھوڑا بہت یہِ chromatin material چھُ آسان یہِ چھُ تھوڑا بہت condense گژھان and there is a well developed nucleolus inside the nucleus and you have a well developed nuclear membrane or nuclear envelope, and outside the nucleus in the cytoplasm you have pair of centrioles. That means centrioles also duplicates during interphase. Andrٕ kanہِ چھِ گژھان DNA duplicate replicate inside the nucleus. The نیبرٕ kanہِ چھِ گژھان centriole چھِ گژھان replicate but in the cytoplasm. یِمن سینٹریولن کیاہ کٲم چھِ یِم کتھ لگان یہِ کرو انشاءاللہ برونٛٹھ کُن زانٕچ کوٗشش. This is the stage of cell division, that is interphase, یۄس تۄہہِ اَتھِ چھِ یِوان wherein chromosomes are in the form of threads, and this stage usually cannot be seen with the help of simple microscope, but it can be seen with the help of electron microscope, and this DNA occurs in the form of threads. No doubt the DNA gets duplicated in this phase, but it is not possible to see this chromatin or chromatids under simple microscope. مےٚ چھُ اُمید تۄہہِ آسہِ انٹرفیس تھوڑا بہت سمجھ آمُت سیل ڈِوجن کیاہ گوٚو سیل سایکل کیاہ گوٚو. نٹشلس منٛز ونو أسۍ سیل سایکل چھِ گژھان دۄن فیزن منٛز. گۄڈٕنیُک چھُ ونان أسۍ پریپریٹری فیز یتھ ترٛےٚ الگ الگ فیز چھِ G1 phase, S phase and G2 phase. تہٕ دوٚیِم چھِ یِوان that is actual division or M phase, which is further divided into two types, that is karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis منٛز چھِ أسۍ یِم chromosome چھِ گژھان segregate and cytokinesis منٛز چھُ cytoplasm بٲگراونہٕ یِوان. Inshallah, in the next lecture we will come with another topic, that is actual mitosis, how it occurs. This called Bi Khudai Sawal. Di ijazat. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.